So let's look at question 24. It reads like the demand and supply of a certain commodity are given in thousands of units respectively by D. So D is equals to 40 plus 3P plus P prime, and S is equals to 160 minus 5P minus 3P prime. Okay, where T is the time in months. If the initial price of the commodity is 20 units, so P of 0 is equals to 20. That's the meaning, initial price. But the law of demand and supply for this type of question is that demand is equals to supply. So we write D is equals to S, and we equate the two equations. Now 40 plus 3P plus P prime is equals to 160 minus 5P minus 3P prime. So we just do some grouping of like terms. I'll send this man here. So if I send it there, I'll have 4P prime. If I send this one here, that will just be plus 8P. If I send this one here, that will just be minus 120, all equals to 0. So we have this, which we can reduce. Have P prime plus 2P minus 30 equals to 0. And then we can then write our IVP. So our IVP will now have dP dt plus 2P equals to 30, and P of 0 is equals to 20. This will give you some marks. Then we proceed to solve this. I'm going to use a method of integrating factor. So we know that mu of t is equals to e power integral of this value 2 dt equals to e power 2t. Now our p of t equals to integral of the q of t, which is this 30 times e power 2t plus c all over e power 2t. And so this becomes integrating this part, that will just be 15 e power 2t over e power 2t plus c e power negative 2t. I just distributed this over the terms, and I'll get 15 plus c e power negative 2t. That's our p of t. Now we then apply the IVP. P of 0 is equals to 15 and plus c e power 0. This is equals to 20. So you know that P of 0 was equals to 20 in the IVP. So we have C to be equals to 20 minus 15, and that's just 5. So our P of T is equals to 15 plus 5 e power negative 2t as our P of T. This is our P of T. So that's the answer for the A. Now we look for the B. Find the price at any... form the IVP. That's not even the A. This is the B. Find the price at any time and obtain its graph. They are saying that we should graph this particular thing. Okay, so we are now required to graph this. That's for the B. So let's see the graphing. Oh, my pen has gone low battery. Drawing. Oh, sorry, it is still working. So graphing, if we have our this x and y axis like this, Now this one at 0, at t equals to 0, we get 20. Okay, so here is 0, 1, 2, 3, 3, next 1, next 2, next 3. Maybe let me label here 20, 40, negative, negative, 20, 40, 60 going. So at t equals to 0, when t is 0, we have a point here. Okay, now at t equals to 1, this will not go beyond that. Okay, if it is 1, we can't go beyond that, so we will just have a graph that looks like this, and then when they are negatives, actually this is how the graph look like. So it will go, so this is our p of t goes to 15 plus 5 e power negative 2t. This is the graph. Now what is the price of the commodity after 2 months? So let's see. After 2 months, after 2 months, let's see. So that's see, our battery is going low. So after 2 months, so p of 2 will be equals to 15 plus 5 e power negative 2, 2, and this is just 15 plus 5 e power negative 4. So putting this in your calculator, get 15 plus 5 e power negative 4, that's just 15.09157 going. So this is just an approximation. In thousands, alright? Yeah. Determine whether there is price stability and the equilibrium price if one exists. So let's see. That's the last one for this. So the D, we have to take the limit as t goes to infinity of p of t, and so we just have take limit as t goes to infinity of 15. Oh, okay, so we want to look at the limit, and so this one will just be 15 plus 5 e power negative 2t, like this. So as t goes to infinity, this whole thing will go to 0. So this will imply that we have 15. Okay, so it means there's price stability. Okay, and it is 15 units. That's all. Okay. There's price stability. Once we get an answer like this, there's price stability. If we had not got any answer, or if the answer had approached infinity, then there is no price stability. Okay, that's all for that question.